All right, you got a brand new Pixel 6 on the way. You pre-ordered it or you already bought it and it's here. You need a good case. Well, that's what I'm going to answer for you in this video because I have 3 cases right here that I think are excellent options for you to choose for your phone that are all under 20 bucks and actually work really well. They're reputable and they will do you really good for your phone. So we're going to dive in and take a look at these. As always, links are down in the description if you want to directly link and go to them. But now, let's take a look at these cases. I got 2 from Spigen, 1 from Caseology. I think you're going to like what you see, so let's check it out. First things first, I want to look at the Caseology Parallax. This is a classic. This is a favorite of mine. I've been using this for a long time. I tested it and debuted it with the Pixel 6 before. A good option. It's $16.99. Comes in a couple of different colors. You can get it in sage green or you can get it in midnight blue or matte black. And right now on Amazon, they've got a 5% coupon, which is pretty good. It might not be available later, but it is right now as I'm making this video. So let's go ahead and put the case on the phone. It's nice and protective, and you can see it's got these nice protective edges all the way around. So if you take your phone, you place it down on a flat surface, it's going to keep the screen from making contact with the surface and scratching it up. Now, I definitely recommend a screen protector. The one that I'm going to put on my phone is from these guys right here, and this is a AM film. These guys make good stuff. I've been using them for a long time, the last couple of years. Solid option, link in the description for that as well, but that's what I'll be using. So you've got a recess cut out here for the camera. That means this is protected as well. This is arguably, the screen and this are the most important things on the phone you want to protect. If you place your phone down on a flat surface, nothing's going to come into contact with that. So you should be good there. That'll protect the camera. Good opening down on the bottom. You've got an opening for the USB-C charging port down here. The only problem you can see is it's kind of narrow. So if you were to try and plug in anything other than, let's say, a charging cable, you're going to have a hard time putting like a USB adapter or something. So that's fairly common with cases. Nothing has changed here. Over on the side, we've got nice buttons. They are a little firm, but they're not too hard to push. They should break in nicely. They've got nice tactile feedback when you push on them. Now, one thing you don't need to worry about is wireless charging because this phone doesn't have wireless charging, so you don't need to worry about wireless charging support. Nice texture on the back here to help you hold on to it. And it's even got this kind of textured area on the sides here. So great to hold on to. Looks nice. 3 different colors to choose from. Won't break the bank. That's the first one. Caseology Parallax. And here's again what the box looks like, if you're curious. So that's a good one. All right, moving on to the next one, we have the Spigen Thin Fit. Now this only comes in black. So if you want other colors, you're going to be up a creek with this one. But this is a solid case, $14.99, which is a good price. And you can get it on Amazon right now. 5% off as well, which is a good deal. Again, I can't verify if that's going to be available later, but it is right now. So you got a smooth texture on the back here, smooth sides, something nice and thin and protective if you don't want a bulky case. The Parallax, a little bit more on the bulky side. This one is more thin, and if you got a small, thin form factor for a phone, you might want something like this. This one fits like a glove. I really like the way this one fits. It feels almost like a natural extension of the phone. And that's nice. Now, the only thing I worry about with this smooth texture is if it absorbs oils and things like that, if it might get more slick over time. But it seems like it doesn't really pick up fingerprints, so that's a nice quality. You've got the recessed cutout protection there also for the cameras, protects those. Then you've got the raised protection all the way around the screen. And that's nice when you have a flat screen. This is not a curved edge display. You get these nice uniform raised edges all the way around it. So again, you place it down on a flat surface, you're good to go. Again, put a screen protector on it, put a screen protector on it. What do we say? Put a screen protector on it. Nice opening, a little bit wider cutout here for the USB-C port on the bottom. Maybe you can use something a little bit better there. Also, it's more shallow, which makes it easier to use an adapter. And there's no real texturing on this one, but it's not an overly slippery texture on the phone case, which I like. It's something that you should be able to hold on to well. And then the buttons on this one I think are superior. I like the way this looks, kind of this skeleton button look. Nice tactile feedback. You can probably even hear the clickiness on the microphone there. So another good option here. I like this one, a good option, $14.99. Spigen's been around the block for a long time. I've been testing out their cases for what feels like for forever. They make good stuff. So last one here, the Ultra Hybrid. This one should be interesting. This one comes in 2 different options. It comes in the matte black and the clear. I got the clear one because who doesn't like a clear case? And I believe with the matte black one, I think it's just black around the sides. I don't think the whole thing's black. Go ahead and pull these off. So we got this nice, pristine, never been touched by human hands clear case. And hey, there's some nice colors with the Pixel 6a. We're talking about sage, chalk, and then charcoal. You want to have a nice case to show off your phone. And this will allow you to do that. And this one's got nice grip on it too. This is not slippery at all. And sometimes you get slippery cases and oh boy, it feels like they'll just fly out of your hand. This is actually got a very rubberized texture. I like this. I think it's probably going to be a dust and dirt magnet, which I think that's going to be the case. But it is a clear case. Also, they have a tendency to yellow over time. You always get these manufacturers, they say they're bigger, they're better, they'll last longer without turning yellow. Usually I just buy a new one every 6 to 12 months. And if it does start to yellow, you like the case, buy it. If you don't, buy another one. Spigen's hold up pretty well. $14.99 for this one. Again, 5% coupon if you go to Amazon right now. Link in the description. Solid case right here. It's got plenty of protection. And all three of these cases, they should offer minimal protection. They've kind of got away from the mil standard drop protection. Some of them still have it. Some of them still don't. If you drop this from about 4 feet, it should be okay, especially if you have a screen protector on it. And that's the biggest thing. These two, the Parallax and the Ultra Hybrid, are much more protective than the Thin Fit, and that's exactly what it is, Thin Fit. This one, yes, it offers minimal protection, but it's also a very thin case, so it's kind of like a give and take. You want a thicker case, gives you more protection. You want a thinner one, more streamlined, lower profile, then yes, it does run more of a risk. But I think with any three of these cases, you'll be perfectly fine. You got the recess cut out for the camera, raised protection for the screen, everything that you need here. You got, of course, the Spigen logo on the side there if you care about telling people you have a Spigen case. And the big thing here, also the opening on the bottom. It's a bigger opening than we get on the Caseology Parallax. Not quite as thin as the thin case. Of course, why? Because this is not a thin case. But this one has a nice feel in the hand. This may just be the best clear case that Spigen has ever made. I kind of like this. And it looks like it's got the micro dot texturing underneath there as well too. So this should be a good option for you as well. And again, this one comes in 2 options for $14.99. So that's it. Short, quick, to the point. 3 good case options I think are fantastic for the Pixel 6a. Alright, so that's it for the video. Again, we covered 3 different case options. We've got the Spigen Thin Fit. We've also got the Ultra Hybrid and the Parallax from Caseology. These are great options. I've used them before on other phones. Under $20, which is something I think is important. You're looking at a budget series phone, a $400 phone. You don't want to go spend $40, $50, $60 on a case. You want something that'll work. You want something that's nice and has some flexibility to it, some good options. And of course, if you get them right now, they have them 5 to 10% off, depending on which one on Amazon. Again, the links are in the description if you want to go there and pick one up. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Hopefully now you've got a good idea of some case options for your brand new Pixel 6a that won't break the bank, that won't break your phone, give you some protection and let you go carry your phone and be nice and safe. And that's what we want. We want to buy a phone, we want to take care of it, make sure that it lasts for a long time, because the Pixel 6a is supported for up to 5 years. I don't know if a case will last you for 5 years, but if you can get a case for $15, $16 to last you for 5 years, well, that's a good deal, right? So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go down to the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.